The scorching sun descended into a twilight hue, casting long shadows over the ancient city of Amarna. Streets once bustling with life now lay dormant. The city echoed with the silence of its own abandonment as the last of the loyal citizens departed. Among the ruins stood a lone figure, a man both revered and reviled, the Pharaoh Akhenaten. Akhenaten, known to some as Egypt's Heretic King, ruled during the 18th dynasty. Unlike his predecessors, Akhenaten worshipped a single deity, Aten, the sun disk, daring to defy the centuries-old tradition of polytheism. This bold act of rebellion set the stage for a dramatic leap from Egypt's well-worn spiritual norms, earning Akhenaten both loyal followers and fierce adversaries. Akhenaten's reign was transformative, catapulting Egypt into an era of unprecedented religious change. The center of his new religious faith, Amarna, brimmed with temples and monuments reflecting his devotion to Aten. The city was a testament to his ambition and vision, unlike any other seen before. But such drastic changes came at a price. Within the inner circle of Akhenaten's court, whispers of discontent wove their way through the halls. His wife, the beautiful and influential Nefertiti, stood by his side, a pillar of strength and guidance. Together, they embodied the heart of this audacious experiment. Yet among their allies were skeptics who feared the repercussions of severing ties with the enduring pantheon of gods. As tensions grew, Akhenaten's unyielding devotion to Aten alienated him from powerful factions within the priesthood and the common people who clung to the familiar comforts of tradition. The empire he once sought to reshape began to unravel around him, shadowed by economic instability and social unrest. Even within the protective walls of the city of Amarna, unease simmered just beneath the surface. The turning point in Akhenaten's reign came amidst rumors of foreign threats and internal conspiracies. His rigid religious policies left Egypt vulnerable, stripped of divine protection from a myriad of gods once believed to guard the Nile and its people. As voices of dissent grew louder, alliances crumbled, and the foundation upon which Akhenaten built his dream city began to crack. One evening, as the far-reaching light of Aten began to dissolve into night, Akhenaten found solace in the quiet sanctuary of his mind. Here was where the past and present intermingled with dreams of a future that slipped through his fingers like sand. His once vibrant vision faded with every setting sun, leading him to ponder the cost of his convictions. In the years that followed, Akhenaten's successors sought to erase his legacy. The city of Amarna was abandoned, its stones left to weather the ravages of time. Statues and inscriptions bearing Akhenaten's likeness were systematically destroyed, and his name was banished from the annals of Egyptian history. Yet, the legend of his radical reign lingered, a chapter obscured yet enduring. Today, historians and archaeologists excavate the sands of Amarna, puzzled by the fragments of a society that dared to defy tradition. With each discovery, the story of the Heretic King unfolds, an enigmatic tale of ambition, faith, and rebellion that still captivates the hearts and minds of those who seek to unravel the mysteries of Egypt's past.